What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Low Key here again, VIP Custom Prints. I know it's been a minute, and my bad, I apologize, but guess what? We back and bigger than ever. I promise I'm going to be shooting a lot more videos for y'all in the future, very, very soon. I'm not going to take a long delay like I did this time, but guess what? I'm going to be back. But real quick, today I just wanted to bring you a quick video of guess what? Got some new business cards. I just want to do a quick unboxing. I wanted you all to let me know what you think of my old business cards versus my new business cards and the direction I'm trying to go. We'll be back in 1 second. Okay, y'all, so these were my old business cards. I did these kind of on the fly. They were cool. I got these from Staples. I think there was about $9-10 for about 500 or 1,000. I can't remember. But I just did these on the fly because I just needed something. And I was just trying to see what I was going to do as far as my business is concerned. And, how I was getting into it, and it was just a start. But these I ordered these from VistaPrint, and let's see what we got. I designed them myself, so let's see what they got in my box. Get this little plastic off. Yeah. Wow, they came out just how I ordered them. So I wanted to go a little bit modern, and I got a little QR code. I made my own QR code, through the internet and everything. Because sometimes you go in places, instead of just handing out your business card, you want to hang them somewhere. So I think I made it a little bit better, so I can just post it or something, and people can go by and actually scan it with their phone and actually go straight to my website. So this is the front of it. It came out pretty good. And this is the back. Had all my information on it. Impression is everything. That's what we go by. Will J. That's me. That's my phone number. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, obviously, of course. And it's my little t-shirt that I like. Let me see if I can get a little focus for you all. If not, it's cool. But this is what my new business cards are like, and I like it. I did the design myself. It came out pretty good. It didn't take that long to do, actually. It was very, very easy. I used one of their templates, and I just put, obviously, the t-shirt, the QR code, and my wording in there. Designed it where I love it. That's what we go by. And this is just what I have. Like I said, real quick video on my new business cards I got from VistaPrint. They did an actually very, very, very good job, and I like them. I think I got about 500. It came in 3 boxes, 3 or 4 boxes. I think the other one's downstairs. But this is what I have so far. So again, let me know what you all think. It was just a quick unboxing video of my new business cards. I think I like them pretty good. I think I like them a lot, actually. And like I said, I love that QR code. It just kind of really gives off a lot of good vibes. I can hand them out, or I can just post them somewhere, and they can just scan it and go right to my website, and it'll come out pretty good. But they came out pretty good. Again, like I said, always let me know what you all think. New business cards, VistaPrint, came out pretty good. So here we go, the front and the back, so y'all can kind of see a little bit better picture. This is a better, I kind of got the zoom a little bit better. This is the front to the left, and to right is the back. QR code, I really like it a lot. It gives off really, really, really good vibes, as I said before. And I can't wait to start giving these things out. But then again, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video. Promise I'm going to be back with some more videos. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do next, but it's going to be one coming real soon. But today I just want to do an unboxing video of my new business cards. And hey, check out VistaPrints. They're very, very good. The staple ones I had are good. It was just kind of my beginner ones, what I started with. But guess what? You can just tell the difference. If I put them side by side, you can tell the difference of just the vibe it gives off. This is the first one. This is the first ones I use. And now this is the new ones I have. This look more professional. So, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you all think. VIP Custom Prints. Back with another video coming real soon.